Dem promise people wey go come out democracy dey support Buhari money o, and this amount wey dem promise dem na 1000 naira each for these people wey go come out, but dem never pay dem the money. My people, make una watch this video, see as these people wey dem promise money come out dey talk for interview. Make una watch.
Baba Buhari.
How much again? How much?
For 1000 naira. That's what bring us come here. For 1000 naira.
To support you. To support you.
Baba Buhari.
Have you collected your own 1000? Have you collected your own?
I've never collected 1000.
Me, my own is 10,000 naira.
Your own is 10. How?
My own.
Oga. Come here. I come here for 1000.
Please stand there. We are celebrating the democracy. You know, they say that the best of military is the best of military is how do they say the best of military? The worst of military is better than the democracy or something like that.
Mr. President made it to be.
Hey, they even pursue them from the interview. These girls they don't even get shame. 1% shame, they don't even get at all. This one a real disgrace and disappointment to the whole of Nigeria. Like this, they don't say their happiness. They don't even say their future because of 1000 naira. They even say their children future join. Because this kind of decision, a decision where they make for yourself, for your children. This one a president, president where everybody there against, president where people they talk, APC, this one no happen. Una come out from una house because of waiting 1000 naira with them promise una. We una never collect even cash at hand, una never see. Una carry una kukere leg, come out from una house to come they do supporting party and all that. Now why Buhari come and talk say our youths they lazy? Our youths they lazy. If una fit betray your own country, una fit betray citizens of this country, come out to the support for 1000 naira. Now why the president go talk say this youth dey lazy? Make una find work, because you go tell me say work no dey Nigeria where you go fit do at least 2 days 3 days get 1000 naira. Una leave una house come out to come do this kind thing. This one e dey really bad oh. This our youths of now, like e dey so sad say leaders go pay money to people to gain their support. And these our citizens, then they accept them. They collect this money. They do, I don't even know. For Nigeria, wetin 1000 naira go do for you? Which food where you want buy? You not go even feed you the whole day. 1000 naira. Now why you leave your house? I don't know that now because of the face cap and the t-shirt wey making you come out. Like this, Then they see us, then they see youths as poor people. Then they see Nigeria youths as poor people. Oh. Now why they go fit open their mouth, see full-grown woman, full-grown lady, full-grown man. Then they say they go give you 1000 naira and una go accept. Now poverty, then they use Lucas. Real poverty. Because I won't understand wetin this 1000 naira go do. You no go do anything. Una just because of 1000 naira go they support bad thing. Now this kind people go fit sell their birthright. Oh. Now this kind people, if una go fit do this kind thing for una own country, people una no even want know because of 1000 naira. Una go fit sell una bride price. But last, I no go blame these people. I no go blame them at all. See, now poverty cause am. Now be why then they so ready, eager to come out to come support to collect 1000 naira. See the other man wey come out they talk out like confusion. In just say they talk. The worst of military is better than democracy. How that one? How? I don't even understand. Are they watch this video try to understand how the worst of military they better than democracy? I don't even know how people they take their own eye see this kind of thing. Maybe our leaders stop this thing. No, we want make this country grow. We want make this country be better place for everybody where they inside. May they stop this act of paying people to gain their support. And these people wey then they pay, why una no go just stand for una right? Say no, make we do all these things as it supposed be. Make people wey truly want support Buhari, make Buhari do it thing. I no see reason why then go pay you 1000 naira. You go leave your papa, mama house or wherever they stay. Come out to come do protest. Come out to come support Buhari. Support no be something where they supposed buy. Support no be something wey dem dey sell for market. Na something wey people go come out willingly say, okay, oh, this president, I like am, ma support am. No be the one wey dem go dey pay. This one, the thing even as in, if politicians and all dem dey bribe to get support, na im be say this our nation e don spoil, because everything start with our leaders, followed by citizens. These citizens wey dey collect this money na because of wetin? Una no go fit open mouth talk no. Una no go fit find work do, at least get small money. Sometimes dem go try increase the 1,000 to 2,000, people go do. Sometimes 5,000 people go do. E dey very very bad wey una go dey do this kind thing. This one na Nigeria wey we dey try to make better o. Una still dey collect money. As I see this one, I say make una use una eye see una fellow Nigerian dey comot collect 1,000 naira to support motion wey truly if dem leave dem no go support o. Dem come out to support. As I see this one, I say ma bring am come una say make una see wetin dey happen o. Na here I go bar break. My people, make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Suspected SARS officers then defy Inspector General of Police order go dey harass residents for Iwo, Osun State o. My people, make una use una eye see wetin these SARS people dey do our fellow youths. Make una watch. Hey, this ones then they find money. See as dem dey. If as una dey see them, una go dey see money, we dey find money. I just say dem no go see anything incriminating, but still dem go dey suffer just because of wetin dem wan extort money from these people. Even see the kind gun wey dem carry, the gun just dey like say na bow and arrow wey dem carry, like say e no dey function. Which kind SARS be this one? But wait oh, I think say dem don disband SARS for Nigeria. Where this ones emanate from? Where they just come out from? I no just understand this kind thing, you know. See that woman where they waka past the place, she dey do like say nothing dey happen. Nigerians nowadays, everybody they do mind your business, but sometimes make people try create alarm. Una no say SARS no dey. If una see things like this, make una try call maybe army if una no trust police, or call any kind of armed forces. Make una call to at least save these people. Now nobody know where these people dey. Then they carry these people go. They don't enter motor. These ones now to me, they even dey like SARS members. So they keep face like kidnappers or armed robbers. If you not reason them, these people feel be armed robbers, these people feel be kidnappers. Because nowadays fake people there everywhere. These ones feel wear uniform. They act like this band SARS member. Meanwhile, they no even be among even SARS members at all. So I no can understand. Then fake carry these people go one location. From there, then go put them for one corner, try to extort money, put fear for their body, threaten them, say them go kill them, this one, that one. Before you go know, it don't end for them. And nobody go know their whereabouts. Then everybody go believe, say, these ones na people of the government, people of law, then carry them come out. My own case is, so youths, they don't go fit enjoy life. We have better clothes, enter better motor, drive, they go where then they go because of say them dey Nigeria. This kind of Nigeria, I no can understand though. People no get freedom for the country. Any small thing you do, they don't see you as Yahoo boy. Any small thing you do, they don't see you as person criminal, fraudster. I don't understand for this kind of country. So now they want tell me say all the people who risk their life, do end SARS, then just waste their time. Then just die for nothing. Now wetin dem dey talk? This one don't pay me because I hear of this thing as people take they die for end SARS. So like this, those people just die for fancy. SARS people still they roam around this earth in good health. Still they do wetin dem they do on a low. Why? And I still hear say for Port Harcourt, these people then still they use name of SARS. They do things for that place. See they extort, see they collect money from people. And this kind of streets, which kind of streets be this where the people know they talk? They don't go feel report matter, and they just allow them, then put them for motor, they go. I beg you, if una know where they carry these guys go, may una report. May they at least come save these boys, because it don't look like say they no be, they don't look like SARS safe. They don't even look like these bad SARS at all. These people they like criminals for my eye. I don't know where they go carry that kind gun, wey no even dey like police gun. I no know where dem get that kind thing from. Carry uniform put for body, call themselves SARS, dey carry people dey comot. If na me be that guy wey get that motor wey dey drive, I go drive dem, carry dem go one place, show dem pepper. Nobody even know whether that gun dem carry dey work or dem even get bullet. Dem go just sample the gun, dey waka for street, make people dey fear, wan collect money. As people dey now, dem no wan collect anything less than 500k. Dem no wan collect anything less than that. Everybody eye dey red, and e bad. You see person dress well, the next thing you don attack. You see motor, you don attack. Abeg, this thing make e stop for Nigeria. I don tire. Dem don do N1000 protest. People die, things happen. Still upon still, bad things still dey happen for the country. This country, na to live and remain. We don all tire for this kind country. As I see this one, I say, man, bring am come una side. E happen for Osun State. Osun people, make una dey woke. No be only Osun this thing sef dey happen. E dey happen for Port Harcourt and different other places where I hear say SARS still dey roam around. Everybody dey on the watch, and make una know the real SARS from the fake one. Make una know real police, real EFCC from the fake one. So because people wey dey roam around now, na people wey we no even know if dem be real or not. So before una go even, and make una no go dey open door 12 a.m. person say na SARS or EFCC. Make una act like say una dey sleep. Even if una hear the knock, make una ignore. Late night, make una no open door. That one na the advice I carry come una side. My people, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Make una no forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video.